Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all messages on Discord. So first of all, launch your browser, type in discord.com, get logged into your account. If you would like to delete all the messages, you will be required to add an extension. So go to your Chrome web store and search for this Discord extension. So I've already added this to my Chrome. You may go ahead and do the same. Now, what you have to do is, as you can see that I have this extension right here of Discord. You're going to have to click onto it. As you click onto it, it will take a while to authenticate. Then you will see a page like this. I have all the tabs that I need in this web page itself. As you can see, I can see all the servers that I currently have in my account. You will also see the same, what server you have in your Discord. You will see it in your Discord as well. Now, what you have to do is, let's say you would like to delete the messages for this server right here. Make sure that you are under server first. Then check multi-select. If you would like to delete each and everything, select delete all, then hit purge. Now, you may go ahead and select whatever you would prefer according to your preference, then select purge again. And as you do that, this will be gone. And just like so guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.